Today we're going to be changing the light bulb on our Volvo XC70. It's this bulb right here below the turn signal. First thing you gotta do is come inside here and remove your speaker panel. Just pry it out from the bottom. And then you're gonna pull this tab and then pull down on the speaker. And it should be right out. See where I'm scratching? That's a tab. We're gonna turn the tab and pull the bulb out. Then we'll replace the bulb. There's our culprit right there. Push in and turn. 1158 long life Sylvania bulb. We've already put it in. And now we're gonna put it back in the vehicle. Now that we have the bulb back in, which took us several minutes to do, we're gonna give it a try. So now we're just gonna put our speaker back in, put our tab back in. That's how you do it. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.